Okay, so now we have our supercharger out. Let's recap for a minute here. There's not a whole lot that actually holds it in. Just a lot of bolts are a little difficult to get to. A lot of coolant lines, a lot of vacuum lines. This truck has 140,000 miles, so a lot of things were kind of seized together. We had the one strip bolt that set me back half an hour or so. We got our supercharger here now. We're going to clean up the case just a little bit. We're going to drain the oil out of it. And we're going to crack off the nose. And in the morning, we're going to press in new bearings. But for now, we'll get it open. We'll show you the bad part. And we'll go from there. There's a one drain and fill hole in the front here. It's supposed to be done every 10,000 miles. I doubt it has ever been done on this engine. So let's see what it looks like. I got a drain pan on the floor here, so I'm not just an animal. So that throttle body part that we took off in the beginning that had the 4 bolts, that goes into the back of this here. These are your needle bearings that the vanes sit into. See the vanes there? And that's just the end play of them. We're going to inspect them, replace them if need be. Three 16ths. Metal in it. It's going to be a E10 bit on this particular one. So originally, see here, this spring is supposed to be pushed over that way. It's worn out from it torquing over so many times over the years. It's not actually broken, which I'm surprised, but you can see that it had probably about half an inch or more to play with. Put it on here. That's your play. This fluid smells horrific. The gears look really, really good, so I'm happy about that. There is definitely some kind of Loctite in the threads of this thing. We can go ahead and we can pull the actual vanes out now if you want. So those bolts actually sandwich these two plates, this plate together. And then the vanes will pop out. So we have our actual vanes out here now. They look to be in actually very good shape. They're nice and smooth and free. Put those down real gently over here. We're going to inspect our needle bearings. We'll clean out this case a little bit. Looks like it's got some dirt and moisture, and I don't know how well you can see them. These are the needle bearings. I'm not going to put my finger in them. I don't want to get any dirt in them, but they look like they're in really good shape. They spun like they were in really good shape, so we're going to leave them alone. Because, yeah. Just a little bit of the full synthetic, very high temp grease in it. I know it's in a gun, but it's actually special grease. Okay, we're back from the shop. We just pressed in the bearings to our snout. I did want to do a quick overview of the parts I ordered for this project. It's actually not too much. I think the total cost of everything is about $280 for all the gaskets. It's going to be more if you don't reuse the coolant. So we have over here the 2 O-rings that you'll need for the coolant manifold. That'll go here. We have the top supercharger gasket that will go here. We have the rear supercharger gasket. That's going to go in the back there. That connects to the throttle body plate. Then we have the coupler kit. The coupler kit will come with the 2 bearings for the snout, the front and rear bearing. It comes with the coupler, obviously. Some sealant that is for aluminum. 2 bottles of supercharger oil. It is an Eaton supercharger, and they recommend acetalco oil, and that's what comes with the kit. It's what you use. It also comes with a nice syringe to fill it or suck it out if you ever just change the oil on the supercharger without removing the entire thing. And we have the top duct for the intercoolers. And that's really it. Anything else you find along the way, I mean, obviously replace it. We're trying to keep this one down to a minimum because the customer is like a 20-year-old kid that bought this drug dealer car from the city, which is awesome. All right, and then we're going to go ahead and we are going to reassemble our supercharger. Put it up one last time, make sure we get anything that may have fallen on it. Again, all my boards look really good, all my mating surfaces look really good. I'm happy with that, so let's get it together. Get a little closer number with the part number. This comes with the kit. The kit comes on eBay. I think it was just under $70 shipped. My coupler was a tight fit to put on the other side. That's good, I like that. And as you guys can see, now we're nice and tight. Our clunk is gone. The bearings are smooth. Good. So we're going to fill some oil in it.